Hold on, let me see if I'm recording really quick. Yeah, alright. Welcome back to another one, people. I got the camera mod. I hate these shoes, like you can't remove them. So I don't know where to go, but we can go anywhere. I'm gonna go back to lobby. Alright. By the way, I'm just recording on this thing. By the way, I'm just recording on the camera. Hold on, I'm gonna change my color real quick. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold on, I'm going in the wrong place. I played Gorilla Tag for so long. I can only move. Alright. Color. Turn that. Then that. Turn that down to like 100. 100. I can't directly get 100, but I'm just gonna get 99. And I'm gonna turn that down. How about just to like there and turn my blue down to like 158. I'm still a pinkish color, that's just weird. Turn down this color to like, yeah, that kind of looks good. Turn down the blue, no, not down, turn it up. Turn down your green a lot, your purple. No. Cyan. Yes, okay, spawn in. Alright. This is me. Alright, let's go. Hey, I can only move with one arm. This is so boring. I got most of the VHS tapes. I just need the Office Basement, Foundation. I don't know what that is. The Servers and Brain, which is the Gloop Room. That's why I call it the Gloop Room. Let's keep on going. Alright, let's keep going. I don't know where to go. Oh, I have a grappler this whole entire time. Let me go ahead and gear up. For real. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and record on my VR. Alright, now I'm recording on my VR. Alright, welcome to another one. I got my camera mod right here. My phone's like right there where I'm pointing. Right there where I'm pointing. But like, I'm gonna throw this away for now. Can you put this in? I don't think you can put this in your slip slot. Nope. Alright. Oh! Sorry that you can't see anything. Hold on. I love my new color. Alright. Need a glow stick. Frick! No. No, don't go away, glow stick. I need you. You are my favorite. Alright, coming back. Sorry that you can barely hear me. Okay, me now. Yay. Alright. I took a camera with the camera to took a. You can't see this. You can't see yourself. But you see nothing behind there. No, you can't see yourself. What? I can't see me, but you can see me. And you can't see you. That's just weird. Alright, let's keep going. How am I gonna maneuver with you? I don't know. But I'm just gonna maneuver with you. I'm not doing an office run. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm gonna... Like... Hold on, guys. I need to call my best friend. You won't be able to hear me, but we're gonna go inside of app chat. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do. Oh, he's offline. He'll still get my call. Do 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 do. What? Come on, so about dini 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 or dini 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 ding 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 ding. What? Alright, I'm calling my friend. Wait, you can still hear me? Yes! Okay, he's not gonna answer. Boom! Yay! Let's keep going. Let's see what map I might go to today. Definitely not Dark Forest, which is the Haunted Lady Mansion Forest. I might actually go to sewers. I'm gonna kill the Sith. Well, let's go. Yay! Oh, frick, I should have never went to sewers. I'm so... I dumb. What? Why didn't I get 5 research points? I'm not doing this. Yeah, the reason why I'm not going to sewers is because that creature. You just see pickaxe just flying around. That's my only mobility right now. But yeah. Let's look for where I'm gonna go. Hold on. I'm just gonna push you right there. When you put perfect color. Alright. Alright. That's the only thing I needed to do. Hold on. You probably couldn't see because this little stick was in the way. Hold on, let me do that one more time. I'm gonna import an image of like that Woody photo that says I'm coming to tickle your toes. Let's keep going. Tiny city. Well, it kinda is kinda big. What is that building? How is it being supported? What? That building's like, so the building's skinnier on the bottom, but it gets bigger on the top. How is that thing being supported? What's that? Oh, billboard that says blue. Blue. Why is there a peanut? I'm not asking questions. Oh, I'm gonna become King Kong. Hold on. Do not float away. My arm. Come on. We gotta get up there. It's the radio tower. Hey, no! Oh, I'm not even pointing you at that radio tower. Boop. Okay, there we go. I'm going to be King Kong now. Oh, I fell below the building. Hold on. I told you not to float away, glow stick. Okay. This is basically pinch climbing. Oh, you just gotta make a long jump up here. You just gotta make a long jump. Woo! Alright, I'm coming down as monkey. Alright, here we go again. Alright, let's go, boys! I'm gonna actually end the recording here, but I'm gonna keep on going. Is that a gas station? Of course it is. Whoa! Let's go into Ben Azel's, I don't know how to say his name, but let's go to Ben's warehouse. This thing is humongous. I wish I had giant broccoli unlocked, because I'd be able to fill my own body in here. But you know what I do have unlocked? I wish I had pogo sticks unlocked, because I'd be able to go faster than the speed of sound with them. I'd be singing that one song. Yeah. That one song, I cannot tell you the name because I'm going to get copyright. Alright, I'm alive. Yeah, but I'm gonna get copyright striked, which I already got copyright striked, so I don't want to get another strike, so I don't get banned. But like, I'm not getting copyright striked. AC creators. AC. World. Let's just leave this place. I'm a fan of Kai Cenat, but I don't want to be near no more. Alright, let's... What? Where's the exit of this place? That's... Oh, there's the exit. Stage 1. Stage 2. Stage 3. Oh, that's the company news. Canopy News. The Scoop. Stop. Alright. Alright. Bad news. Breaking news, Animal Company. Today we have an outbreak of the Beast VR. He will swallow everyone he sees. And he will demolish you. Yeah. And that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Hold on.